a unique way to do your task. That only thing I want to mention by that R&D wala thing, which I explained you earlier. Okay, by exploring those books and all. Okay, then I just started to our formatting and all thing. You can guys see my Excel sheet. Okay, there is a CT column, state and columns are there. You can see it or not? Are you guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Able
okay,
to see
okay.
Excel sheet.
Okay. So what will we do? We will do some case study, means basic formatting things and sorting things. Means we will apply filter and all to our data, different things. Okay. So one thing means guys, you can uh, say me that what is not good in this data, means which thing we have to clean or we have to format it in proper way so that the data uh, appears very clean and we can do our analysis on it. So guys, you can give me some suggestions. So what can I do in it? Means the column which is not useful. Okay, some missing values can be there. Some data can't you read properly or that thing. Okay, some data types are not proper in not proper manner, that thing. Okay, so you can guys suggest me, see, what I do, what can I do to clean my data and format to it, to do formatting on it. Any suggestion, Jaya and Rohit?
You can use mode,
Okay, what? Can you just repeat?
mode on column number B.
Okay, on column number B, what can I do? Okay,
Uh,
let me start
this,
with
there are
first
some
thing.
missing values.
Okay, yep, there are some missing values.
You can use the mode function mod,
Okay, very good.
as it
Jaya,
is categorical in nature.
okay,
So
okay, okay,
yeah,
good attempt. Okay, nice observation. Jaya, did you find something not proper or not in a perfection way in this data?
Yeah, I don't have a idea, Piyush.
Okay. Let me start with our column names. Okay. So guys, you can read the full column name from here, just like,
okay.
okay. You can guys give me full column name for this E column. No, because you can't see the remaining string part or text part from here. Also, there is some part missing here. There is some part missing here. So what can I first do? First, I have to resize these columns. Okay, space, column widths. So what can I do? Just by clicking, shortcut method is just by clicking double tap. So it will uh, auto adjust the width of column. Okay, just by clicking things, they will readjust the column size, width, column width. Okay. Now you can see proper column names. Okay. So there are column state observation. Okay. Office type, revenue, operating
We can
expenses.
select all together also, na?
Yep. Yep. There are multiple methods. Okay. You can select all together and just go uh, here formatting option and you can take out of it column width. Okay.
Yeah,
है ना?
auto
There are,
format.
yep.
Yes.
Or one more thing you can do is just drag it. So there are three or four methods you can do it. Okay. So this is about column width, which is first thing in formatting. Okay. Now uh, we need to check our data types for each column. First of all, is there means there are in proper way or not. So this is city column. It should be in text or general form. It is okay. It is also okay. It is also okay. It is also okay. Okay. This column is revenue. Mane, it stores currency within it. So we will gonna change it. Operating expense also a currency. We will gonna change it. Okay. Depreciation is it is also
Depreciation.
yeah, depreciation. It is also gonna change in a currency form. Okay. In this column, we can found one odd thing here. Okay. So we need to clear this out. So there is something colon codes are there. So just I go there and change it. So it will look like similar to others. Okay. Now, you guys can see these both columns share same purpose. Means these columns share as a state. This column also share as a state, but it is in smaller. Means shortcut name. Okay, means New Hampshire. So NH is there. It is like that. Okay, so we will drop or delete this column because both columns have same purpose. We'll keep this whole column. Okay, not gonna just add a missing value there. Why? We will see it later. Okay, now uh, we will start with our formatting thing. Okay. One thing you can guys observe from here, okay, Tokyo, Kanto, and Kansai. These three cities or state are from Japan. Okay. Berlin, Hamburg, and Bavaria are these cities or state of Germany. So I have to just add one more thing between these two rows and between these two rows so that we can filter, we can separate those countries. Okay, so I will add one more row between them, and will I will give a specific country name to it, so that we can separate those cities or states from our list or data. Okay, insert and entire row. Okay, or here we also do the same task. Insert and arrow. Okay, Jaya. Rohit was there in a last session. Okay. In that last session, I mentioned about Marcos thing. Okay. Whatever I'm doing right now, I can record those things. Okay, for the future references. Marcos works like that. Because what that what will what will how it gonna help me if I doing this task again and again. I don't have to just go and insert row again and again. If I do for one separation, I insert a row and I record those uh, record this particular task to Marcos, and by just selecting the cell and applying Marcos to it, it will gonna repeat all my tasks. Okay, the automation technique these Marcos provide us. Okay, you can okay, we will use in our future task. On that time, I will repeat it again. So I can do these tasks with the help of Marcos also. So I don't have to just insert row again and again. Now, one more thing we can do is this column we can do a bold. We can highlight them with a bold, increase the size of it like 14, so it can appear very good. It will appear in very good manner. Now again, my column width is just messed up. So I what will I gonna do? I will wrap it because again and again I don't want to increase my width of a column. Okay, so just I'm gonna uh, apply wrap task. So here my n is cutting it out. Okay, uh, what can I do? Just increase the size so that n. Okay, in the revenue thing also I can increase. Okay. Okay, other things are in a proper manner. I can also do highlight thing from here in the formatting. Okay. Now one more shortcut thing we will use. Just I go to my A1 cell. And what can I do? Because here I want to also apply the same thing. Okay. First of all, just we will provide. a separation name. These countries or states are from Japan. I will print the Japan there. Okay, this is these columns are for these data are from Germany. Also Germany. Okay, Germany. Okay. Now I will gonna merge it out. Merge and center. Okay, not a center for just on the side. Okay, a merge in the center. Okay. Now, what I will gonna use? I will use the same format to apply here on the Japan and Germany. How can I do this? Just take format painter from clipboard option and put it here. Just click on it. It will resize our text. It will bold our text and highlight our cell, whole cell, merged cell. Okay. A similar thing I can do. Just go here, format painter, and by just one clicking, it will paste whole format here. Okay. Now, now other thing what we will do in formatting, just okay, from this row to this row, these states are from USA. Okay, these are from the USA. So what I can do, I can uh, give a dollar sign to this revenue, operating expenses, and depreciations. Okay, so I just go here and currency because default my currency is rupees, so I have to go there and select a dollar thing. Dollar, nahi, 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 nahi. Dollar from Canada, dollar from US, United States. Okay, so it will convert into a dollar thing. Okay, similar thing task I will do for this column also. So in previous class I mentioned about you can use shortcuts means most generalized currency will appear here. So just you can access it from here. Okay, this also you can access it from here. Okay, okay. So this task is done. Okay, providing. Now I have to provide this currency into Japanese yen. So I will go more customized information in the currency and find for the Japanese currency. Okay. Japanese currency. Yeah. Similar thing we will do for these two columns. Currency and yen. Okay. And for the Germany, we know there is euro currency. For the whole Europe, they use euro currency, so we will provide euro here just by clicking euro. Okay, okay, euro. So the formatting thing is like this. Okay, one more formatting is this. Is there table formatting? Just I will make one copy of this sheet. Okay. Mm, sheet context. Create a copy. Now make a copy. Move to the end. Okay. So this is another copy of our data. What can I do here? Just select whole array and format a table. Okay. So this always try to do a table formatting after clearing your data, after providing whole thing to your data by resizing columns with cleaning the data part and all thing. Just go and convert your data into a table format. Don't forget guys, because it will help us a lot to analyze our data. Just I'll give you one example. See, sum of okay. Now I can what can I do? write a table. So it will give me a table name because my table name is table 1. So just by typing table 1, the whole table will be selected. By giving a bracket column, I can access the column of my data. See, I don't have to remember the cells, A1 cells or E2 cells, or go and select whole E cell, E column or thing. By just giving a table format, I can use it like our pandas library. Okay, in pandas we used to do this. We provide data frame name and in bracket we provide column name and apply some methods on it. So just by clicking like this, see, it will help us just by remembering column names. You can use this table format in easy manner. One more formatting is there, conditional formatting. We will see this tomorrow because it will take more time to complete it. Now we will go and see our format, sort and what filter methods. Okay. One more thing is there, which is a freeze a pen. Where in every Excel interview, they will ask about you this, how you I can freeze my column or how I can freeze my first column, first row or first column, or how can I freeze my particular data so that I will go down to my data. I can see my column names, I can see my row names. So how can I do this? Just by freezing this freezing pen option. How can you do this? Just if I want to freeze my first column and first row, I have to go in B2 cell, okay, and freeze pen option. So what will it do? It will do the, if I move to right my worksheet, it will freeze show my first column only. If I go down to my worksheet, it will show freeze my column names so that I can refer it. Okay, this is my unit price column. Okay, this is my discounted, discontinued or not wala column that can you refer. Just go down and down. You can refer those things by freezing that thing. You can also freeze particular column and thing. Well, first column you can freeze by if I select C7, so what it gonna do? It will freeze all these row and it will freeze these two column. Let's see, they go freeze. So they go. Okay, you can freeze your top 7 rows and top two left columns. Like that, you can use freeze thing. Now we will unfreeze all the thing and just start with our filter and sorting method. Okay, uh, let's apply a filter first. Okay. So in filter, we can, if our column is a text column, we can just go and filter different thing. If I provide content, my that means if my text contain nap thing, nap, so it will filter out all nap wala thing, Neptuno. So this filter work like text filter work like this only. You can also provide proper equal text, contain and begin with a start letter P and with start letter Q and all. If it is it containing particular word or not, you can provide like that. Okay. Number formatting you know very well. Okay. Just greater than, less than, sum is equal to top 10. You can filter. In sort method, you also know much very you also know very basic thing like sorting from ascending to descending, descending to ascending. One more interesting thing is there in sorting by two columns while adding labels to it. Means first you have to sort with a category, then you have to go and sort with a uh, cell value only. Okay, from A to Z माने A to Z order में मेरा sort होना चाहिए. Then if I got a match, means you can see here there are say similar kind of names in category. So if there appears the data appears like this, what to do? Then how to sort? So by adding a label, you can provide if data in category match, then sort by a supplier. Okay, sort by a supplier, uh, sort on a cell value, and then uh, sort on A to Z, then sort on ascending order, or you can change the order also. Then change the order and descending. Mane if there is a tire, so match data. Now they will go and check a supplier thing. If there is a entire section, there is a descend there. It can sort in descending order. Means there is a Z S I. So it will store. It will sort like first Z will Z thing, the row contain Z will appear, the row contain S will appear, then contain I will appear. If I just do ascending order, then it will sort A, sort I first, sort S first, then sort Z first. So like this, you can sort the data. See, if there is a frame, so okay. If there is a gear, so specific gear like this, tires, tires. It will sort like this. So the new thing is here is custom sorting. Okay. So we already on a verge of ending our class. So guys, okay, we will meet tomorrow.